Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be unboxing the June 2023, we're in June, right? Ipsy / BoxyCharm box. I don't even know what they call it anymore, but it's a bunch of surprise makeup products, basically, / skincare products. So we are gonna be unboxing this together, seeing what I got for this month, and whatever we can try out, we're gonna try out. So before we get into it, please give this video a thumbs up for me and subscribe to the channel if you love anything that has to do with makeup or self-tanning. Please make sure you're subscribed and not missing out on 3 videos a week. But if you want to see me unbox this, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alright guys, I'm super excited, so we are just gonna get straight into it. This is the June 2023 Ipsy / BoxyCharm box. As usual, I have no clue what's in it. It's a surprise to me, just as much as it is to you, and we're doing this together. So, Ipsy, it says, to you, from you, which I love. And then when you open it up, it says, discover yourself. The only issue I have with Ipsy as of right now is the fact that they don't put a card in here saying what the products are. So I have to like Google everything and figure it out for myself. Like they'll put a card in, but it's like this stuff. Yeah, as usual, we're gonna have to look it up on Google. Go back to what BoxyCharm was doing, please, Ipsy, if you're listening, and put a card in with what the products are and how much they cost and what they do, please. Anyways, we're just gonna grab some random stuff and see what they do. First one is Elemis PRO-COLLAGEN Advanced Eye Treatment. So this is a hydrating eye serum. Let me look this up really quick. So this is the Elemis PRO-COLLAGEN Advanced Eye Treatment. It goes for $75, you guys. Oh, thank you, Ipsy / BoxyCharm. What a steal, because the box itself is like $25, $30 a month, and this one product is $75 for 15 milliliters. Like, what a steal. I'm happy. Okay, it says firm, smooths, and hydrates. A weightless serum that targets the look of fine lines and wrinkles around the eyes for a smoother, firmer, and more youthful look. I feel like you could never get enough of that. Kiss the look of wrinkles and crow's feet goodbye with this advanced eye treatment. Oh, I'm sorry. Formulated with protein-rich actives, the weightless formula helps soften, smooth, and hydrate. I don't know what's wrong with me today. The delicate skin around the eyes without overloading it. Padina pavonica and blue flower linseed help to tone and firm, while a sophisticated amino acid complex locks moisture into the skin. The powerful combo of powerful actives and deep hydration leave the eye area with a more youthful appearance. That sounds amazing, you guys. Let me just see what this feels like. The packaging is adorable, by the way. Like, it just looks like it would be expensive. Let me just squeeze a little bit of this expensive product onto the back of my hand so we can see what it feels like. It's clear. It feels very watery. Like, look at this. Feels very, very watery and lightweight. It has like kind of like a oceany smell to it, but I really like it. It feels really good. I'm gonna try this tonight because I need some stuff for my under eyes these days. So I will gladly try this tonight and I'll keep you guys posted on what it does. Next, we have JLo Beauty. It's that hit single gel cream cleanser. Let me look this up. Okay, so it says, yeah, JLo Beauty, that hit single gel cream cleanser. $38, 150 milliliters, so that's 5 ounces. That's big. It's a cleanser. So it says, want to feel fresh, clean, and ready to slay the day? This gel to cream cleanser can help with that. It melts away impurities and makeup like a boss thanks to glycolipids, rice bran, and fruit extracts. With a dreamy light floral scent, and a lathering formula, it'll leave your skin feeling super soft, refreshed, and ready for whatever's next. And then it just says to squeeze a small amount onto your hands and warm water to emulsify, using a circular motion, a massage over your face, then rinse and pat dry. Okay, so it's just a cleanser. But I love my Dermalogica cleanser, so I don't know. I don't know about this. JLo Beauty, JLo Skin. Let me see. I've never tried a JLo Beauty or a JLo Skin product, so maybe it is good that I'm getting one now. Woo! Okay, this is watery. Look at this. It's like a clearish white kind of. Oh my god, that feels like thick. I don't like the smell. I don't like the smell. Oh, I guess it's not horrible. It kind of smells flowery, but then it smells like shampoo at the same time. So maybe it's not that bad. When it first hit me, it smelled like straight up flowers, but then once you smell it, it has like a shampoo-y smell to it. It definitely feels like a gel and it has thickness to it, but it's nice. We'll see. I'll keep you guys posted. I will try it out. Maybe today when I take my makeup off, I can try this and we'll see what it does for me. But I am intrigued and this is huge. Literally so big for $38. So we'll see what happens. And then next up we have, what is this? TRESLUCE Beauty Becky G. I love anything to do with Becky G, so I don't even care what this is. I love it. It says Empower Me Matte Lipstick Bullet. Yay, in nudie pink. Okay, I have it pulled up already. This is fast now. TRESLUCE Beauty Empower Me Matte Lipstick in nudie pink. It goes for $16. That is a steal, Becky G. Thank you. Lipstick, obviously. Unleash your inner boss with this nudie pink matte lipstick. This creamy formula is packed with hydrating mango butter that feels like a dream on your lips. With a highly pigmented burst of color that won't feather or bleed, you'll be ready to conquer the world one pout at a time. And then obviously just swipe it onto your lips and blend it in. So let's see what it looks like inside. Love this packaging. I feel like I don't have any lip products that have a packaging similar to this, so it stands out already from the rest. It's just really pretty. And it has like a magnetic cap too, which I really love. Let me see what this looks like. I love how it has like the T embedded into there. That's really cute. And then let me see what this looks like on the back of my hand. That's actually like a perfect pinky nude kind of color. I feel like that's exactly the kind of pinky nude that I go for. Super, super creamy. Blends very, very nicely. Let me put this on my lips and let's see what it does. I have a gloss on, so I feel like this isn't the right time to be doing this, but it's fine. This actually went really well with the products I already had on my lips. It's really pretty. I have other products under it, but from what I can tell, it's super comfortable, super pretty, super nice to wear. I love it. I love Becky G, and I'm excited. I am definitely gonna keep using this. Next up, we have, what is this? Bronze highlighter, BEAU Beauty. Let me see if I can find this on the Ipsy website. There it is. BEAU Beauty highlighter in bronze. This is the first time I'm hearing about this brand. It says it's $25. I would say that's pretty fair for a highlighter. 6 grams. It says, are you ready to glow? This bronzed highlighter will add the perfect touch of golden light to your skin, helping you achieve that golden goddess glow you've been dreaming of, always. It says sweep highlighter across the high points of your face like your cheekbones, bridge of your nose, and above the cupid's bow. Love it. That's all it says about that there. So let's open this up. Oh my god, I hate when they put like the tape around both sides because it's so hard to get products open. Finally, 10 years later, we get it open. So let me see what this looks like inside. It has like a pinkiness to it. It looks more like an eyeshadow than a highlighter, if I'm being totally honest. I just did like a little swatch on the bottom right there. It's definitely highlighty, but it looks very like eyeshadow-like. This doesn't make me think highlighter when I see it. It's very like glittery, so that makes me nervous. Let me see on my face what this looks like. I'm just taking my highlighter brush and there's a lot of fallout. Be careful. I don't dislike it, but it's not like the highlighter that I typically go for. Like, this definitely has like little pieces of chunky glitter in it that you could see. Like, I feel like it is giving me a really beautiful highlighted effect. Like, just looking in the viewfinder, it's very, very pretty, and it's giving my cheeks just like an extra little something. So I do really, really enjoy how it looks, and like on the tip of my nose and everything. Like, it's very pretty, but I don't love it when you could see like little chunks of glitter in a highlighter. Like, I like more of just like a wet glow, not like a glittery glow, if you know what I mean. So I don't know, I do like it. It's super soft, super easy to put on the skin, obviously very comfortable to wear, works well with other products. It's just a little bit glittery for me, so I am gonna keep playing around with it. We'll see if I learn to love that. We'll see, I don't know. I'll keep you guys posted, but so far I'm a fan. And then last but not least, we have MUDMASKY Glam Care POREFECTION Serum Infused Primer. I've been needing a new primer, so this came at the perfect time. Blurring, correcting, anti-aging, hydrating, unifying, 1 ounce. Let's see if I can find this one on the website. They're all just popping up for me now. So this goes for $49. That is expensive. Honestly though, if I'm being completely transparent, I feel like the packaging could have been a little bit better for how expensive it is. That's the only thing I don't love so far, but $49. It says it's prime time with its magical blend of pore minimizing technology and skin loving serum. This primer is the perfect start to a flawless base. Not only is it super nourishing, but it also helps mattify and blur the skin so your makeup goes on smooth and even. You'd put it on after skincare, all over your skin, wait a few minutes, and then apply your makeup, of course. So let's see what this, ooh. So it's like a little white cream. I do like the idea of the packaging. Like, I like that it's, why is this not closing? There we go. I like that it's like a squeezy tube. It just makes it really easy to work with, easy to travel with and everything. It's like a white cream when it comes off. And let me just like mix it in there. It feels super lightweight. It has a little bit of a stickiness to it, which I really like with primers, and it doesn't feel like dry. Like, you know, with pore filling primers, sometimes they feel kind of like dry, almost like chalky a tiny bit. This feels very hydrating from the start, but I feel like it made like the skin on the back of my hand look really smooth. So I like what I'm seeing so far. Obviously I can't tell because it's not on my face, but I like the idea of this a lot, and I'm very curious to see if it's worth 50 bucks, because that's a lot of money. So I'm gonna keep playing around with this. That's it though, that's all 5 products. The box is empty. That's so cute. I've never noticed this before, but it says same time next month. So that's it. I really enjoyed this one. I thought I got a nice like variety of makeup and skincare products, and I'm really curious about all of them. I'm obviously gonna keep playing around with all of them, and I'm just anxious to see how they all turn out and if I love them and if I continue to use them a lot, because I feel like sometimes these products really are winners and I just continue to use them a lot. So I'm excited about this box. But that's it. That's all I've got for today. Comment and let me know what you think about the products that I've gotten in my box this month. If you've tried them already, let me know if they're good to you or not. If you got the same things in your box or not, let me know. Give this a big thumbs up for me, and please, 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 please subscribe to the channel, you guys. But stay tuned and I will see you in the next video.